Yo, what's up sa inyo mga quiz? Welcome back sa aking channel. And for today's episode, meron tayong isang beast na American performance car. The Mini GT Chevrolet Corvette Z06 2023 in Eckhardt Lake Blue Metallic. Ito siya mga quiz. So, if you're into modern supercars na may track DNA, this one's definitely something special. So, without further ado, let's unbox this beauty. Alright mga quiz, let's check the packaging first. As expected from Mini GT, no? Clean and premium yung box. May detailed illustration ng Corvette Z06 sa harap, plus official branding. Ayan mga quiz. So sa likod, you'll see the model info and licensing details, no? Simple, sleek, and very collector friendly. Hindi siya tinipid. So moment of truth, let's open it up. Ayan mga quiz. So careful slide lang. And there you go. So nakaprotect siya sa isang plastic insert, no? Safe from scratches and damage. Ayan. So first impression, no, grabe. Ang linis niya tignan kahit di pa natin hinihimay ang mga details. Ayan mga quiz. Tanggalin natin sa plastic insert. Dahan-dahan lang. Ayan siya mga quiz. Ayan mga quiz, no, right out of the box, this thing looks aggressive, no. Ayan, that Eckhardt Lake Blue Metallic, panalo mga quiz. So deep, glossy, and very eye-catching under the light mga quiz. So you can already tell this is not your ordinary Corvette mga quiz. Ayan, let's zoom in naman sa mga details niya, no. Ayan, sa front end mga quiz, sharp headlights, detailed grills, and that signature wing stance ng Z06. Ayan, ayun yung kanyang emblem. Side profile naman tayo mga quiz. Ang ganda ng proportions niya, no? Plus those sculpted lines. Ayan mga quiz. Very aerodynamic mga quiz. So sa rear end naman, ayan. Grabe. Detailed taillights mga quiz. Quad exhaust setup. Ayan, 4. And that subtle but sporty diffuser. Ayan, Mini GT really nailed that real life look of the Z06. And mga quiz, check naman natin yung wheels. Ang ganda ng rim design niya, no? Very close to the actual Z06 spec. Ayan. So rubber tires na rin yan mga quiz, hindi siya plastic. So dagdag realism points. Ayan, yung fitment is on point. Walang awkward na gaps and sakto sa stance. Rolling din yan mga quiz. Ayan, harap likod rolling yan. Silip naman tayo sa interior mga quiz. Ayan, oh. Kahit maliit na scale, no, kita mo pa rin yung details niya. So bucket seats, and dashboard setup, and dashboard layout, and even steering wheel design mga quiz. Ayan, oh. Pati yung engine niya sa likod kita. Ayan. So not overly detailed pero enough to give that premium feel. Kaya ang ganda. Kaya mga quiz, no, for those who don't know, the real Corvette Z06 2023 is powered by a naturally aspirated V8. So one of the most powerful NA engines ever made. So track focused, aggressive, and built for performance. And this mini GT version really captures that spirit, mga kuys. So yun mga kuys, kung ako tatanungin on display, panalo to. So that blue metallic finish really pops, lalo na under proper lighting. So perfect for collectors who love modern supercars. So definitely, this is a head turner sa ating mga display shelves. Alright mga kuys, no, time for the rating na tayo, no. So detailing, I'm giving this 9 out of 10. So paint quality mga kuys, 10 out of 10. And overall presence ay 9.5 over 10. So overall mga kuys, no, I'm giving this a solid 9.5 out of 10. Super clean, super detailed, and sulit for the price mga kuys. And of course, to keep this beauty safe and dust free, ilalagay natin siya inside an acrylic case from Bellovra. So perfect for display and protection mga kuys. So follow them on their Facebook page if you want some solid and clean acrylic cases for your diecasts. So ito siya mga kuys. Ayan, nilagyan na rin natin siya ng tack-it mga kuys para hindi siya gumalaw habang naka-display mga kuys. So tara, lagay na natin siya sa ating acrylic case. Unahin na natin itong ating diecast. Ayan. So yung box niya mga kuys dito, no. So yun mga kuys, no, and that's it for today's episode. So if you enjoyed this unboxing and review, no, don't forget to like, comment, follow, and subscribe for more diecast content. So until next time mga kuys, keep collecting and stay passionate. Peace.